To make a fabric face covering, according to the CDC's new guidelines, you want to take a 20 by 20 inch cotton bandana or just a piece of fabric, fold it in half, then take a coffee filter, or I'm using 2 tea bag filters, and place it in the center. Fold the top half down, then the bottom portion up. I'm going to grab 2 hair ties and put them on either end. You want them to be about 6 inches in from the side. Then fold the ends in towards the center. And you're done. Now to put on your face mask, all you have to do is grab the hair ties and loop them over your ears. When you're taking off your face mask, just be sure to grab it from the hair ties, not from the front. And then take out the coffee filter and put the bandana in the washing machine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the subscribe button down below so you won't miss a single tip.